welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to work on my Bible journal. It's Illustrating Faith Bible, and I've got it folded out because it's ring bound. And I'm going to work on Romans 16:25 through 27, and it's Paul talking to the Roman church. And it says, "Glory to him who is able to strengthen you according to my gospel and the proclamation about Jesus Christ, according to the revelation of the mystery kept silent for long ages, but now revealed and made known through the prophetic scriptures, according to the command of the eternal God, to advance the obedience of faith among all the Gentiles. To the only wise God, through Jesus Christ, to him be the glory forever. Amen." What I'm going to do is use my watercolor brush pens, some rubber stamps that I got from Tuesday Morning. They're Bo Bunny Stitches stamps. I have a water bottle that I just emptied of my lemongrass sage body splash, and I'm using this thing that I put together ages ago. It's just a page protector with lined page inserts. Got different kinds and a graph on the other side, and that's just going to be helpful for lines. And I put that underneath so I can see them. I don't know if you can see them very well. Let me check. Yeah, you can kind of see them. So those are kind of my guidelines. So I'm going to go with the words first, just because I'm going to use my microns. First I'm going to underline it. "To him who is able, to the only wise God." Those are my words that I'm going to write, and I'm going to use my lines here, and I'm not going to overthink it, but I'm going to count how many words I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I could do, let's see, what do I want? The only wise God I want to emphasize here. So I'm going to put 2, 3, only. Only wise God, right there, dot, 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 and then who is able, one thing about these pages, you have so much room to work with. Do that. Now, to him who is able, dot, 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 to the only wise God. And I'm going to put the reference down here. Romans 16:25 through 27. Okay, and I will do some fun coloring on those letters in a minute. But I want to show you my stamp here. That is, it's like stitches. It's a zigzag stitch. I'm gonna choose red because I like my red, and I have a plain one of these too that I can like check paint on and such. So I'm just gonna draw on this with my watercolor pen, and you can probably do this with regular watercolors and a paintbrush. I don't see why not. Let's put a line there. It's not a real dark line. That's kind of what I like about it. And it might get a little crooked, but that's all right. Okay, so there's that.